Gavilán. Buenos días. Buenos días, man. Buenos días, man. Buenos días, man. Feliz año nuevo, man. Feliz. God damn it, man. God damn it, man. God damn it, man. What is going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a graceful day. Today, I'm here with my grandpa this morning. Came to eat breakfast for the new year, and this is what we're eating. First meal of the new year, quesadilla. Grandpa's eating 2 weenies and a tortilla. Just enjoying breakfast. The reason I came this morning was because I was already gonna take off the wrap, the Christmas paper on my car, and I want to show it to my grandpa since he hasn't seen it. So I want to show it to him, see what he thinks of it. So we're gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna go show him the car. Le ando diciendo que estamos desayunando la primera comida del nuevo año. Y ando comiendo una quesadilla con tortilla, frijoles.
No le hubieras puesto frijoles negros con calabacitas.
Cademe y 2 weenies y una tortilla. Very nice. So we just finished eating. My grandpa's sitting outside. I'm gonna go show him the car, see what he thinks about it. Listo, Mechelo.
Yeah.
Ven al carro. ¿Qué piensas de él? Very nice.
Oye, qué guapo,
Very nice.
Con razón es que la llevas en la calle nomás para arriba y para abajo.
Sí, claro.
Gastando el dinero de Oquis aquí. Vas sacándole el dinero a tu mamá para gastarlo.
Ah, dime cuál.
¿Cómo no? Que no tienes trabajo, que no tienes dinero.
Ah, ¿cómo de que no?
¿Cómo vas a tener dinero si lo andas gastando en
En papel.
en papel que no sirve? Sí sirve,
Sí, claro que sí.
Oye, este lugar me gusta, mira qué bonito aquí. Está suave este.
¿Sí, no?
Sí.
Very nice. ¿Qué anda buscando?
Ando viendo aquí, a ver
¿Qué anda buscando?
a ver qué tiene.
¿Cómo que qué tiene? Pues si no es un regalo.
Ah, ese
¿Qué?
Qué regalo que no sirve para nada.
Ni lo puede romper.
Este mugrero que gastando el dinero, este cochinero que no sirve para nada, mira.
¿Para qué lo anda rompiendo, Mechelo?
Mira, cochinero, que no te tuvo caro, que
God damn it, man. Oh, man. Ahora lo tengo que quitar todo ahora, man.
Sí, pues, ¿para qué quieres eso?
Mira, todo se mira como un carro, ni se lo quitó, mira.
Igual.
Es igual. Es igual, man. Ahora sí, ya se lo está quitando. God damn it, man.
No, pues sí.
Ahora sí es el color del carro, man. God
Este
damn it.
cochinero, tú gastando el dinero en este
God damn it, man. Haciendo cochinero, man. Usted, que anda tirando el papel, man.
Pues si ese no sirve para nada, ¿cómo no?
So if you guys didn't know, that was totally all planned. I told my grandma if he could rip it. I'm ripping it off today anyways. It's New Year's, the first day of the month of January, and I'm going to be taking it off. So I just wanted my grandpa just to rip it off, just to make like a little skit. So hopefully you guys liked it. It was funny, in my opinion. It was pretty funny. Pero volteando hacia el papel. Volteando hacia el papel. Ahí está. Ahora sí, jálalo. God damn. I guess it's about that time to start removing the wrap. I mean, what's left of it. As you guys know, the hood is gone. Practically, I just need all the corners all around it. But I mean, this tape is pretty darn hefty. It's stretchable. This is like the one that I used that was kind of like vinyl. It's pretty stretchable. But the good thing is about removing the wrap that the car's gonna be clean. I don't have to wash it. The only thing I have to wash is the sunroof, the windshield, well, basically all the windshields and the carbon fiber. That's a little bit dirty and dusty. So let's get started. Let's start removing everything. I'm gonna have to remove all the panels again just to make sure that all the wrap is gonna be taken off. So let's get started. So I just got done wrapping the whole entire car, and I mean, it didn't go that bad. It went off pretty easy. The only thing is, like I mentioned, the tape that I used here didn't really leave that much residue, and it was a pretty expensive tape. I'll put like a picture right here on top if you guys didn't watch the first video, because I showed them right there. But if you guys didn't watch it, there's a picture right here. So that tape didn't really cause that much residue being left over. But the other tape that I did use, I'll put a picture right here on the screen, which was a 3M clear not reflective, but just a clear tape. It did end up leaving a lot of residue. You see it a lot right here, all the way along the side. You see it a lot right here. This one's still a little bit of tape, but you see a lot of residue up here. There's a lot of residue on the wing stands. This one was already there. That's from the Kaminari logo, but you see a lot of it right there. See a lot of it in over here. A lot of it right here on the wing stands, like I said. A lot along the edges. So if I were to do this again, say next December, what would I change differently? I would spend the extra bucks and use that tape that's a little bit more expensive that I use right here, because that one came off a lot easier than the other tape as well, and you get less residue and whatnot. So that's one thing that I would change. But other than that, I mean, I think it was actually worth the experience of doing it, especially people seeing your car, smiling, taking pictures and whatnot. I'm stoked that I actually did it. I learned a few lessons here and there, but hopefully those lessons can help you guys out. That way you guys don't get the same residue that I did, because now I gotta go through the whole entire car, use Glue Gun and take it all off, which is gonna be a little bit time consuming, but I'll probably do it during the week, not right now, because it is getting pretty dark and I still gotta put the bumper back on, and I gotta take the car to work. So I don't really care too much that there is a lot of residue on the car, because as many of you guys know, when the Rocket Bunny kit gets done with all the body work, that's all that I'm doing right now. It's just all body work stuff. But once it all gets done, the car is going to get painted. So I'm not really worried too much about the residue. I will be getting as much of it off as I can. If not, I mean, it's going to be sanded anyway. So I think that's it. That's pretty much everything that I was going to do today. Just take off the wrap for the TC, and that's it. Yeah. So it's all completely one color. I'm going to run bumperless for now again. Just the front bumper. I'm not going to be putting it on because, I mean, it looks ugly. It looks pretty darn ugly. From right here, it doesn't look that bad, but it's pretty darn ugly. So yeah, that's where I'm going to end today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was probably a short little video, but I just want to unwrap and just show you guys what I would change from doing it, and was it worth wrapping the car. Overall, I think I did spend, I'd say, a little bit over maybe $60–70 on the Christmas wrapping paper and all the tapes, because the tapes that I bought were a lot that I bought right here that were the good quality ones. But overall, I mean, it was a good turnout. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and embrace yourself.